curious about the wonders of Amsterdam's Eastern Docklands? Let us, at White Tulip Hostel Amsterdam, be your guide. Why should you explore the Amsterdam Eastern Docklands 2024 Urban Design and Cultural Tour? Imagine a vibrant neighborhood where cutting-edge architecture meets rich cultural history. Once an industrious harbor, this area now boasts landmarks like the MUSC Concert Hall and the Pythonbrug, an iconic bridge known for its snake-like shape. Walking through the Java and KNSM Islands, you will experience a blend of innovative designs and remnants of industrial heritage. These islands are not just about the buildings, they are alive with artistic installations, modern cafes, and communal spaces for recreation. Each corner tells a story, from the avant-garde structures to the tranquil water views. Cultural vibrancy is everywhere. Frequent outdoor markets offer artisanal products and fresh produce, while cultural festivals and open-air performances bring the area to life. Take a moment to relax in a waterfront cafe, often showcasing live music and art, perfect for soaking in the sunset over the water. Getting to the Eastern Docklands is a breeze. From the White Tulip Hostel, simply hop on Tram 26 from Central Station to Reetland Park. In about 15 minutes, you'll find yourself ready to explore, either on foot or with a rented bike, enjoying the sights at your own pace. To make the most of your visit, consider staying with us at the White Tulip Hostel. We offer budget-friendly accommodations, including for-bed dormitory rooms and larger group options, all centrally located. Book directly through our website to enjoy special discounts. Our amenities, such as free city maps, a 24/7 reception, and free Wi-Fi, ensure a comfortable stay while you discover Amsterdam's urban marvels. So, are you ready to dive into the blend of modernity and history that the Eastern Docklands offers? Join us and embark on an unforgettable journey.